Hey everyone, welcome back. If you are ready to start building your very own mobile apps, you are going to need the right tools. Today, we're walking through exactly how to install Flutter right inside Visual Studio Code. Let's jump in. First, we need the core files. Head over to the official Flutter website and download the Flutter SDK. Once that zip file is on your computer, extract it, open the newly extracted folder, and copy the exact path to the bin folder. Now, we have to tell your Windows computer where those files live. Press the Windows key and the letter R at the same time to open your Run box. Because we want to keep things simple and avoid typing out a massive string of system code, you can also just open your regular Windows Start menu, type Edit Environment Variables, and hit Enter. Once that window opens, click the Environment Variables button. Look for your path variable, click Edit, then click New and paste that bin folder path you just copied. Make sure to save those changes. All right, let's get Visual Studio Code ready. Open up your editor and head over to the Extensions tab on the left side. We need to install two specific things here. First, search for Flutter and hit Install. Next, search for Dart, which is the programming language Flutter actually uses, and install that one as well. So let's verify that everything is working smoothly. Open a brand new terminal right inside Visual Studio Code. Type the word Flutter, a space, the word dash twice, and the word version. Hit Enter. If everything is set up perfectly, you will see your installed Flutter version pop right up on the screen. Now we're ready to build. Click the green Open Folder button to choose exactly where you want your new app to live on your computer. Once you have that folder selected, open your terminal again. Type Flutter, space, create, space, and then the name of your project. Let's just type Test Project. Hit Enter, and Visual Studio Code will automatically build out all your starter files inside a new directory. The final step is to actually run your new app so you can see it. First, we need to point our terminal into that new folder. Type the letters CD, space, Test Project, and hit Enter. Now type Flutter, space, run, and hit Enter one more time. The terminal will ask where you want to view the output. Just type the number corresponding to your preferred web browser. Your new app will launch, and you should immediately see the default Flutter screen with a working counter button right in the middle. And there you have it. You're officially ready to develop with Flutter. If this setup guide helped you out today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step tech tutorials. Drop a comment below letting me know what kind of app you're building, and I'll catch you in the next one.